Thank you very much. Honorable Mr. Chair, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Parliament of the Republic of Azerbaijan and as a chair of the Parliamentary Network of the Non-Aligned Movement, I greet you all at the summit-level meeting of the NAM Contact Group in response to COVID-19. The city of Baku hosts yet another important event that demonstrates the spirit of solidarity, dialogue, and cooperation among the NAM member states. Dear participants, Non-Aligned Movement played an important role in mobilizing global efforts to address the negative consequences of the COVID-19 pandemic. This time, taking resolute actions with regard to the post-pandemic recovery, the Non-Aligned Movement leads the way again through further proactive initiatives of the President of the Republic of Azerbaijan, the chair of the movement, His Excellency Mr. Ilham Aliyev. I strongly believe that the discussions held in this summit will generate new ideas, perspectives, and opportunities for greater and closer global cooperation in post-pandemic recovery. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the main focus points of the Azerbaijani chairmanship has been the institutional development of the NAM. Thus, at the Baku summit of the NAM, held in October 2019, the heads of state and government decided to expand and deepen interaction and cooperation with the involvement of the parliamentarians of the NAM member states. Acknowledging the significant role that parliamentarians can play in ensuring full and effective compliance with founding principles of the movement, Mr. President Ilham Aliyev, as the chair of the NAM, put forward an initiative to establish the parliamentary network of the NAM. In November 2021 in Madrid, the network was inaugurated on the sidelines of the 143rd Assembly of the Interparliamentary Union. Ladies and gentlemen, in order to ensure the efficiency of the network, right after the inaugural meeting, the Parliament of Azerbaijan started the work on procedural documents and working modalities, which were later communicated to member parliaments and agreed upon. The first conference of the parliamentary network was held in June 2022 in Baku. Around 400 participants from more than 40 parliaments and 8 interparliamentary organizations participated in the conference. It was a clear manifestation of the importance given to the parliamentary cooperation by the member states. The Baku conference became an important milestone in the development of the network. During its proceedings, the statute on working modalities of the network, the Baku Declaration, as well as the official logo and flag of the network were adopted. The chairperson and 3 vice chairpersons of the network were also elected for the next 3 years. Dear participants, during the period after the first conference of the Parliamentary Network of the NAM, I took part in a number of interparliamentary platforms, including the G20 Parliamentary Speakers Summit, where I participated as a chair of the network. The main point of my speech at all these important international events and meetings with heads of member parliaments in bilateral and multilateral formats was promotion of ideas and purposes of the network, advancing the values and principles of the NAM through strengthening solidarity and cooperation, developing institutional dialogue with other organizations were the highest priority as well. Consequently, the parliamentary network has already established cooperation mechanisms with and been granted observer status in several interparliamentary organizations. This work is underway to enlarge this scope. The next conference of the network will take place on March 13 on the sidelines of 146th Assembly of the Interparliamentary Union in Manama, Bahrain. Along with discussing parliamentary support to national and global efforts on post-pandemic recovery, we will also exchange ideas on the possible ways to further strengthen institutional capacity of the network. Ladies and gentlemen, we are still in the process of evolution and development of our network. But as the incumbent chair of the parliamentary network, I would like to share with you my firm belief that the network is on the way to becoming an important asset for promotion of ideals and principles of the NAM, multilateralism, dialogue, and interparliamentary cooperation. I call on all member states to further increase their engagement in and support to the parliamentary networks of the non-aligned movement. Ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, I wish all success to your meeting and thank you for your attention.